problem fix here today. So wanted to go over a quick problem that I had today. My AC was working, but there was no air going through my vents today. No cool air, or really any air at all. It seemed like it was struggling. So I came downstairs to check it out, check out this thing, and I noticed that I pulled out the filter, and the filter was disgusting. Probably my fault because I hadn't checked it in a while, and I don't think that was completely the issue though. So what I did is I went upstairs and turned off my AC unit and let it kind of like de-thaw. So if you have air that's running in your air conditioning but there's no cold air coming out, go upstairs, turn off your AC unit, then go downstairs, check your filter, see if it's got a problem with it or there's a constraint with the airflow. Check that. I put a new air filter in right here, and then let it just kind of like defrost a little bit. I did that. I'm doing that, as you can tell right below me here. I'll give you a little insight there. There's a bunch of water down there draining down, which means obviously there was a lot of built up water or frozen water. Sometimes you can see around this area on your AC that it's starting to freeze, which means that your air conditioning's been working too much and it starts to just kind of get frozen up. So something to try and see if you're having problems with that and your AC is not working very well. Check those problems out, troubleshoot a little bit. Also, sometimes it can be your power, so go check your breaker. Sometimes your breaker will trip, and you can check that to see if you need to turn it on or turn it off. Sometimes that happens to the outside. Also, you can go in your backyard and just check your AC unit. Go hose it, turn it off, obviously, make sure it's off, or you see if the fan's spinning, you can go and just kind of hose it down and clean it up a little bit, and check that. So hopefully that helps you guys, and you get your problem fixed. Like and subscribe.